Hello everyone and welcome back to Mig Drawing Academy. Today we're gonna draw Charizard from Pokemon. So let's get started. Let's go first with the eyes. Start for 1 point, going up and to a side. Add a line to create the eyebrow, and then another one going to the side and up. Finish the eye with 2 circular lines and fill the center in black. Another line at the top to create the eyebrow, and then the horns. Start for 1 point, going up to the tip and going down again. Now let's go to the snout. Go to the side, then up again, almost at the same level of the eye, and then the jaw. So I'll do the fangs first. And then complete the jaw. Going up, add 2 semicircular shapes for the nose. And then let's go with the neck. So try to keep at the same level of the jaw, going up around the horn and like so. Now let's go with the shoulder and the arm to the side, going down, and the fingers. Draw 3 fingers. And then the claws. Complete the arm to the body. Now let's go with the shape of the belly. Start from the bottom of the jaw, going to your side, going down, and then at the center. Do another line to finish the belly, and the core at the back. Do it to a certain point, and then let's do one leg. Start for one side, going down. Add some lines to create the muscles. Then the knee. And the foot at the bottom with 3 tips. Now let's go with the other leg. Go from a point, going to the side, to the knee, going down, then some lines to create the muscles. And the 3 tips. Now let's do the tail behind. Start for 1 point, crossing 1 foot in a C shape, going up, and then another one, and narrow at the tip. Now let's go with the flame, add some tips, and complete the gap. Now let's go with the other arm. draw one claw first, then from there go to one finger, the other one, second claw, and the third one. Fill the gap. Now let's go with the wings. Start from one point from the back, going up, do like an S shape, and from the very top, cross all the way down, almost the same size of Charizard, and then create the thickness and narrow at the bottom. Do an extra line so you can create the shape of the wing and complete the gap behind. Also, for the first one, repeat the same shape to create the thickness. Let's go with the other wing. Go for one point, going up to one tip, and then up to a point from a side, going all the way up. To create the thickness, and from that point, go again, leaving some space to create the thickness of the wing. And also a third line for behind. And that's it, we're done. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for new video lessons every Tuesday and Saturday. And also let me know in the comments below which character from Pokemon would you like to see in the next videos. See you!